Hi, I'm Carlos Bartz from Decor Cabinet, and this is my 2-second news for Friday, September 21st. So one issue that I came across recently is I have 4 different sizes of screws, but they were getting mixed up. I have 3/4 inch, 1 1/8, 1 1/4, and 1 1/2. But lots of my 1 1/2 were in here, and these ones were also mixed in there. So I'm going to try something to make the sizes a little more efficient. Alright, I'm back, and this is what I did. I got some vinyl cut, and I actually cut it the exact size of the screws. Yeah. So I also put the measurements on there. So if somebody has a screw like this, they can put it on top and see, yeah, that's the one. It all lines up nicely with their compartment. That's my 2-second lead today. Thanks.